Hey, good morning, YouTube family. Mike Jones here again. As you can see today, my Webull portfolio is at $16,347 and counting. And we are recovering right now. I would say that Tesla actually has nothing to do with our growth today, but all the other stocks are still continuing to grow in our portfolio, which is a great sign. They're either growing or are recovering from the loss that they took. So this is an absolute great sign. And if you'd like to see more, I do have more on my channel that goes more in depth. With that said, if you would not mind liking, commenting, and subscribing, that would be really awesome. With that said, make sure that you have a blessed day, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you, and God bless.